Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Lines. I'm your teacher, Daisy.
And hello, I am William. I'm a student. I am happy to be here, Daisy.
I'm happy too, William. Today we have a very useful topic. We will talk about household chores.
Household chores. What is that, Daisy?
Good question. Household means your house or your home. Chores are jobs, small jobs you do in the house.
Ah, I understand. Like cleaning?
Yes, exactly. Cleaning, washing, and tidying up. These are household chores. Do you like chores, William?
To be honest, no, I do not like chores. They are boring.
I know. Many people think chores are boring, but we must do them. A clean house is a happy house.
That is true. A clean house is nice. So, what is the first chore?
Let's start in the kitchen. The kitchen is very important. After we eat dinner, we must wash the dishes.
Wash the dishes.
Yes, wash the dishes. We use water and soap. We clean the plates, the cups, and the forks.
I wash the dishes every night. My hands get wet.
Good job, William. After we wash the dishes, we must dry the dishes.
Dry the dishes. This means we take the water away.
Yes, we use a towel, we make the plates dry. Listen and repeat, everyone. Wash the dishes. Good. Now repeat, dry the dishes.
Daisy, is there another word for this? Sometimes I hear do the dishes.
Yes, you are very smart, William. Do the dishes is the same as wash the dishes. You can say both.
Okay, I do the dishes. I wash the dishes.
Perfect. Now, look at the floor. The floor is dirty. There is dust on the floor. What do?
We clean it.
Yes. First, we use a broom. We sweep the floor.
Sweep the floor. I like this word, sweep. S-W-E-E-P.
That is correct. We sweep the dust into a pile. We move the broom back and forth. Sweep, sweep, sweep.
I sweep the floor in the morning.
Very good. But wait, William, the floor is still a little dirty. Maybe there is juice on the floor or mud.
Oh no, sticky floor.
Yes, so we must mop the floor.
Mop the floor.
We use a mop and a bucket of water. The mop is wet. We clean the floor with water.
So first we sweep, then we mop.
Exactly. First sweep, then mop. Let's practice. Listeners, please repeat. Sweep the floor. And now, mop the floor.
Daisy, I have a machine. It makes a loud noise. Room, room. It cleans the carpet. What is that?
Ah, that is a vacuum cleaner. The action is to vacuum.
Vacuum. That is a hard word.
It is a little hard. Let's say it slowly. Vacuum. Vacuum.
Vacuum. I vacuum the carpet.
Yes, we usually vacuum the living room or the bedroom. We vacuum the rugs and carpets.
I vacuum on the weekend. I do not vacuum every day.
That is okay. Once a week is good. So we have 3 floor words now. Sweep, mop, and vacuum.
Sweep for dust, mop for water cleaning, vacuum for carpets.
You are a great student, William.
Thank you, Daisy. I am learning.
Let's move to another room. Let's go to the bedroom. When you wake up in the morning, look at your bed. Is it messy?
Yes, my blankets are messy. My pillows are everywhere.
You must make the bed.
Make the bed? Like build a bed with wood?
No. Good joke, William. Make the bed means to fix the blankets and pillows. You make it look nice and tidy.
Ah, I understand. I arrange the pillows, I pull the blanket up, I make the bed.
Do you make your bed every morning?
Sometimes I forget.
That is normal, but try to do it. It starts the day well. Listeners, repeat after me. Make the bed. One more time. I make my bed every morning.
Okay, Daisy, the bedroom is clean. The kitchen is clean. What about my clothes? My clothes are dirty.
That is a big chore. That is laundry.
Laundry.
Yes, when we clean our clothes, we do the laundry.
Do the laundry. This is like do the dishes.
Yes, do the laundry is the general phrase. First, we put the dirty clothes in the washing machine. We wash the clothes.
Wash the clothes. Easy.
Then we put them in the dryer or we hang them outside. We dry the clothes.
Dry the clothes.
But wait, we are not finished. The clothes are dry, but they are in a pile. They are messy. We must fold the clothes.
Fold the clothes. This is boring.
I know, William. Folding is slow. You take a shirt and you fold it. You take pants and you fold them.
I watch TV when I fold the clothes. It helps.
That is a great idea. Watching TV makes it faster. So the steps are wash, dry, fold.
Wash, dry, fold. This is doing laundry.
Correct. Let's practice this sentence. Listeners, are you ready? I do the laundry on Sunday.
I do the laundry on Sunday too.
Excellent. Now, William, look at your shirt. Is it smooth or does it have lines and wrinkles?
It has lines. It is wrinkled.
You need to iron the clothes.
Iron, like the metal?
Yes, the tool is called an iron. The action is also iron. You use heat to make the shirt smooth.
I do not like to iron. It is hot.
It is hot. Be careful. Do not burn your hand.
I will be careful. So iron the clothes.
Perfect. Now let's talk about garbage.
Garbage? You mean trash?
Yes, trash, rubbish, garbage, it's the same. The bin is full. It smells bad. What must we do?
We must take it outside.
Correct. The phrase is take out the trash
Take out the trash.
or take out the garbage.
Take out the garbage. I do this every night. My mom tells me, William, take out the trash.
It's an important job. If you don't do it, the house smells bad.
Yuck. I do not want a smelly house.
Me neither. So repeat after me, everyone. Take out the trash.
Daisy, I have a question.
Yes, William?
Sometimes the furniture has gray stuff on it, very small gray powder, on the TV, on the table.
Ah, that is dust.
Dust, yes. How do we clean dust?
We dust the furniture.
We use the word dust as a verb?
Yes, English is funny. The gray powder is dust. The action to clean it is to dust.
Okay, I dust the TV. I dust the table.
We use a cloth or a duster. We wipe the dust away.
I sneeze when I dust. Achoo!
Bless you. Yes, dust can make you sneeze, but it is good to clean it. So the phrase is dust the furniture.
Got it.
Let's review our chores today. We have many new words.
We have a lot of words. Can we go slow?
Yes, let's do a quick review. I will say the situation and you say the chore. Okay, William?
I am ready. Test me.
Situation 1. The plates are dirty after dinner.
Wash the dishes.
Correct. Situation 2. The floor has crumbs and dirt. You use a broom.
Sweep the floor.
Very good. Situation 3. The floor is sticky. You use water.
Mop the floor.
Yes. Situation 4. Your clothes are dirty.
Do the laundry.
Situation 5. The trash bin is full.
Take out the trash.
Situation 6. Your bed is messy in the morning.
Make the bed.
You are amazing, William. You remember everything.
Thank you. The repetition helps.
Listeners, did you answer correctly too? I hope so.
Daisy, can we talk about sentences? How do I say I help my family?
Good idea. We often use the word help. You can say, I help my mom with the chores.
I help my mom with the chores.
Or you can talk about frequency, how often.
Like every day or never?
Yes, let's make sentences. Listeners, repeat these sentences for practice. Sentence 1. I always make my bed. I never iron my clothes.
That is true. I never iron.
I sometimes vacuum the living room. I wash the dishes every night.
These sentences are very useful. I can tell my friends what I do.
Yes, conversation is about sharing your life. You can ask your friends, do you like chores?
And they will say, no.
Probably, but maybe they will say, I like to cook, but I hate to clean.
Oh, cooking. Is cooking a chore?
Some people say yes, some people say no. If you love it, it is a hobby. If you hate it, it is a chore.
I like eating. I do not like cooking, so for me, it is a chore.
Then you must add cook dinner to your list.
Okay. Cook dinner, wash dishes, dry dishes, take out trash. Wow, it is a lot of work to live in a house.
It is a lot of work. That is why we must help each other. In a family, everyone should do chores.
Even the children?
Yes, even children. Small children can put away their toys.
Put away toys. That is a good chore for kids.
Yes, put away means to put something in its correct place.
I need to put away my clothes. Sometimes I leave them on the chair.
William, that is messy. Put away your clothes.
I will try, I promise.
Okay, listeners, we are almost finished. Let's do one final listen and repeat for the hardest words today. Are you ready?
I am ready.
Vacuum. Vacuum the floor. Laundry. Do the laundry. Iron. Iron the shirt. Household chores.
I think I'm an expert on chores now, Daisy.
I think so too, William. But knowing the words is the first step. Doing the work is the second step.
Oh no, now I have to go home and clean.
Yes, you do. Go home, sweep, mop, and wash.
Okay, I will do it.
Thank you for listening to Daily English Lines. We hope this lesson helps you keep your house clean and your English strong.
Yes, thank you everyone. Keep practicing. Don't forget to sweep and mop.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.